from what you can see, my hair, she's old. It's been about, why is this always crooked? A little over a week since I washed my hair last. Instead of avoiding it another day, I was like, maybe it's time to go wash it. But let's put a bit of a spin, a twist on this. And we're gonna do an entire curly hair routine from the dollar store. Do I know how it's gonna turn out? No, I'm just doing something fun, something fresh. It's real gloomy and it's raining anyway outside, so you know, the odds aren't high. The stakes are not. I'm not expecting a lot. You ready? My hair's been up like that all day. But this is what we're starting off with. Now, let's get off to the dollar store.
So I ended up going to Dollar Tree and they had absolutely nothing at this Dollar Tree. It was sparse. So after I looked at this and saw that there was nothing here for me, I moved right along to the Dollar General, and then I picked up a couple products in here. I thought I was recording a lot more than I was, and I didn't end up doing that, but that was that.
Back with the goods. First off, I went to a Dollar Tree thinking, you know, it'd be fun, fresh, and there was absolutely nothing in there. Like, the people were also restocking, so I think I just came during the wrong time, but there was nothing in there, as well as nothing that I was willing to even contemplate putting on my hair, because no. I went to the Dollar General and I got everything. I'll put the price of all these things too right here. The first thing we got is the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Licious Moisturizer Shampoo. Then we got the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Luscious Moisturizing Conditioner. But these were the only two of like a normal set. Maybe it was a sign, maybe these are gonna be good. They both have no parabens, petroleum, mineral, or artificial color. Oh, my hair is so itchy. For a deep conditioner, because I feel as if my hair is going to need the extra moisture throughout this, I got the Mael Babasu and Mint, I think that's how you say that, deep conditioner, protein moisture replenisher for dry and damaged hair. Then I got the African Pride Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Hydrate and Hold Curl Defining Gel. Something that I have been actually seeing on the internet a lot is this Cantu. They just came out basically with like a revamped packaging and a revamped curly hair kind of line thing. So I got the mousse. Last time I used mousse, or anytime I use mousses, they're not really everything that I'm looking for, and I don't get the hype. So I'm hoping that I'm gonna pair these two together and it'll give me something. I don't know if this mousse is gonna be like the other mousse that I've used that was really dry. So we're gonna hop in the shower, use all these products. I'll come back out, I'll tell you my ratings on them and the curly hairline, and we'll see what it looks like.
So during the wash day portion of this, I'm going to do the same things that I normally do. I do have low porosity hair, so it's going to take a while for the water to get into my hair, but as soon as it does, I go straight in with the Carol's Daughter shampoo. It was super easy coming out of the bottle, super smooth, and it smelled really good. This has one of those lingering smells, but it went in pretty easily and washed out really well. And then I'm going to go in with a deep conditioning mask. I did a sniff test. It smells very clean, very stinging, if you will, and then it says to put it on for 15 minutes. Always read the back of those instructions. And so I put my hair up and then put it in a cap to let the steam work into my hair for those 15 minutes while I did the rest of my shower. After I did this, I went in with the Carol's Daughter conditioner. Again, super smooth coming out, very nice consistency, and it went through my hair and made detangling so easy. So there's that little review, and then I'm going to detangle like always and then hop out the shower.
Okay, so I just got out the shower and I'm about to start. I'm going to do the normal thing that I always do. I'm going to just separate my hair in 4 sections, the 2 back halves, the 2 front, and then I'm going to apply the mousse first and then the gel on top of the mousse. I'm going to speed through this, guys. The wash day, the actual washing process, immaculate. I would recommend all 3 of those products to anyone. I can get at least 4 to 5 washes out of these products, and I have like medium longish length hair. We're gonna get into the styling portion of the video now. this is what the hair looks like. It came out real cute. As it's kind of drying, I already kind of see some like frizzy parts, so I don't know how well this is going to hold. I'm gonna blow dry and I'm gonna come back tomorrow for day 2, which is normally what I do to show you guys the finished product. So all right, so today is the next day. I'm gonna take the hair out like I usually do. The mousse, very much supporting character in this story. The gel, I think, did most of the work. The gel has amazing slip. The definition, 10 out of 10. Like 1,000 times 10 out of 10, right? I think that's what really led to this definition in my hair, as y'all can see. I think really good, especially to be a $4 gel. Like it's $4.50, I think. The shampoo and conditioner, like I said in the shower, super amazing. Would buy them again, just normal. I think they're real affordable, real cost friendly, amazing. The deep conditioner, it made my hair feel so good. And I know there's beef out there with my L right now, all that kind of stuff, whatever, but I might pick up a full-size jar of that one. Overall though, definitely think this was a very productive wash and go. If you're looking for an affordable wash and go and you want to get to it, go to the Dollar General. And there's a bunch of options there as well, and this is just the combo that I chose to do because it's all products I haven't used before. Hair, don't mind this dent. This is like from a scrunchie, but also this is how you can tell that my hair was like a little more puffed up than normal because the dent usually isn't this bad. I will say that this is giving like day 3 hair, so hold wise it's not the best for like a hold. You're probably gonna have to get like a more high-end thing, but as far as defining in your hair feeling nice for like a little wash and go, would totally recommend. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you get notified when I post. If you want to stalk and stick around on my social media right here, as well as linked down in the bio below. And with all that being said, I'll see you guys later.